My name is Rabbi Marc Schneier, co-author of Sons of Abraham, a candid conversation about the issues that divide and unite Jews and Muslims. I am truly honored that my book is being distributed at this prestigious Abu Dhabi International Book Fair, taking place from May 23rd to the 28th. I co-authored Sons of Abraham with my dear and beloved friend Imam Shamsi Ali, the head of the largest Muslim community-based center in New York City. The book also features a foreword by former President Bill Clinton. This book showcases our journey, the Imam and I, from overcoming our mistrust toward one another to combating together anti-Muslim bigotry and anti-Semitism in the United States and around the world. It gives a powerful account on how Muslims and Jews can successfully build friendship and promote mutual understanding and mutual cooperation, our common faith and our common fate. It is a timely story of tolerance and acceptance, values that are deeply rooted in UAE's society. To all visitors of the book fair, do not miss this opportunity to get your copy of Sons of Abraham by visiting the Motivate Media Group's book display. Salam Shalom.